Japanese encephalitis. It is a vector-borne disease. The main vector is mosquito, Culin mosquito, and some of the anopheles also involved in spreading of the Japanese encephalitis. Japanese encephalitis mainly occurred by a virus. It is a arbovirus, which is of flavivirus family. So mainly it is a viral disease. Virus transmitted by one person to another person, by host to behavior, by source to host through vector. What is the vector? Vector is mosquito. Which mosquito? Culin mosquito, and some of the anopheles are also involved. What are the hosts? There are two type of hosts in spreading of Japanese encephalitis. First one is cattle, vertebrate cattle, and second one is man. The most important vector in Japanese encephalitis is pig. Pig is the most important host to spread or of Japanese encephalitis. In pig, the virus amplifies itself. वायरस अपना पोटेंसी, अपना विरुलेंसी बढ़ाता है पिग के अंदर. सो पिग इज कॉल्ड एम्पलीफायर होस्ट फॉर द जापानीज encephalitis. Apart from pig, some cattle like cow, buffalo, they are also regarded as host, but they not develop any symptom or any amplification in the virus. They simply attract mosquito bite them and inject the virus within them. So main host is pig. Pig is the amplifier host. In cattle, only horse is known to develop symptom of the Japanese encephalitis. Horse, तो पालतू जानवर में घोड़ा एकमात्र जानवर है जो जापानीज encephalitis का साइन एंड सिम्टम प्रोड्यूस करता है. ओनली नॉन कैटल इज हॉर्स which develop the symptom of the Japanese encephalitis. तो ये हुआ vertebrate animal. Apart from the animal, some birds are also known for as a host for the Japanese encephalitis virus. They are herons, duck, chicken, poultry birds. They may act as a host of the Japanese encephalitis virus. They are the amplifier host, especially pig. What is the main host? Main host is man. And man in Japanese encephalitis infection, man is also called dead end host. Means when virus enters into the man, it develops sign and symptom, and ultimately virus die in the man. So it is called dead end for the virus, dead end host. That's why the transmission from one man to another man is not seen in the Japanese encephalitis infection, because when virus enters into the man, develops sign and symptom, and they die. There is no transmission in between the men. Transmission occurs between the animal and man, from pig to man, from duck to man, from horse to man, but not between man and man. So these are the host, agent, and environment. In which environment Japanese encephalitis spreads? Obviously, it is as it is caused by mosquito. The environment where mosquito breeding of mosquito are favored, or the environment favoring the development of the mosquito, breeding of the mosquito, is most important for environment for the Japanese encephalitis spread. What are they where mosquito breeds, such as Ganga Nala, drain, accumulation of water, and most important one is paddy fields. मतलब धान का खेत. धान का रोपा हुआ जो खेत होता है उसमें पानी एक्यूमुलेट होता है, और धान का रोपा हुआ खेत मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर फॉर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द मॉस्किटो विच हार्बर्स द जापानीज एन्केफेलाइटिस वायरस, आर्बो वायरस विच causes Japanese encephalitis. So paddy fields, irrigated paddy fields are most important area and the environment for the development of the killing mosquito, which will act as a virus vector for the virus. So these are the environment, agent, host, and environment. The triology and the epidemiological triad for the Japanese encephalitis virus. What is the virus? Arbovirus, family of flavivirus. What are the agent? Virus. And what are the host? Host, there are two types of host: vertebrate animal and male. But invertebrate animal, pig is the amplifier host and man is the dead end host. What is the environment? Accumulation of water, especially paddy field, village, and dirty places. These are the environment. Now, what is mode of transmission? Mode of transmission: indirect transmission by vector. Vector is the killing mosquito and some of the anopheles mosquito. Now, what is sign and symptom? In which area the mosquito prevail? In very earlier time, in 1970, 1980, the Japanese encephalitis mainly prevailed in the Southeast Asia of the globe. Southeast Asia, the countries such as Vietnam, China, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. These countries are mostly affected. As the time lapses, the infection spreads throughout the India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and so on. So now in India, Uttar Pradesh is the most important place for the Japanese encephalitis spread. In Uttar Pradesh, Gorakhpur is the city where the most number of cases found in a year. So these are the area for the Japanese encephalitis spread, especially Uttar Pradesh and Gorakhpur. And what is the sign and symptom of the Japanese encephalitis infection? First of all, sign of viremia will be seen: body ache, headache, fever, malaise, anorexia. These are the sign and symptoms. These are prodromal symptoms. What is the symptom proper? After lapsing of some days, the temperature, the fever rises. It goes up to the 105 degree Fahrenheit to 106 degree Fahrenheit. There are some neurological signs and symptoms, as it is called Japanese encephalitis. So, encephalon, inflammation of encephalon, inflammation of the meninges, inflammation of the brain, inflammation of encephalon occurs. So, there are neurological signs and symptoms will be found, such as convulsion, unconsciousness, photophobia, delusion, illusion. All these type of symptoms will be found, and after 1 week the symptom gradually declines and recovery occurs. There are 20 to 40% people dead. So death rate of the Japanese encephalitis is 20 to 40%. 20 से 40% infected person का डेथ हो जाता है. Especially children are affected from the Japanese encephalitis from 1 to 15 years of age. Especially children are affected from the Japanese encephalitis. How we diagnose Japanese encephalitis? We diagnose by blood culture, by sign and symptom, by ELISA test. These are the most important tests for the diagnosis of Japanese encephalitis. What is the incubation period? incubation period of Japanese encephalitis is in man 5 to 15 days and in mosquito 9 to 12 days. अगर कोई मॉस्किटो कोई पिग से जापानीज एन्सेफेलाइटिस का ब्लड कंटेनिंग वायरस को देता है तो उस मॉस्किटो में 9 दिन के बाद वो वायरस और भी एक्टिव हो जाएगा और वो 9 दिन के बाद अगर कोई आदमी को काटता है तो आदमी में साइन एंड सिम्टम प्रोड्यूस होगा आफ्टर 5 डेज, क्योंकि मनुष्य में आदमी में 5 डेज इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड है, 5 to 15 डेज. तो दिस आर द इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड. व्हाट इज द केस फर्टिलिटी रेट 20 to 40%, और ये 58% तक भी जा सकता है इन एंडेमिक प्लेसेस. एंडेमिक मतलब जहाँ पे केसेस हमेशा रहते हैं, यहाँ पे कोई डिजीज का केसेस हमेशा रहता है. इट इज़ कॉल्ड एंडेमिक प्लेसेस. एंडेमिक कब बोलेंगे जापानीज एन्सेफेलाइटिस के क्षेत्र में? जब कोई विलेज में 1 या 2 केस हमेशा मिलते रहेगा तो उसको बोलेंगे एंडेमिक प्लेसेस. अच्छा, इसके बाद है ट्रीटमेंट क्या है? एंटीवायरल थेरेपी एंड सिम्टोमेटिक ट्रीटमेंट. दीज आर द ट्रीटमेंट. प्रिवेंशन क्या है? प्रिवेंशन 2 तरह से हो सकता है. एक तो इसका वेक्टर को फिनिश किया जाए, इसका एम्पलीफायर होस्ट को फिनिश किया जाए और वैक्सीन दिया जाए. एम्पलीफायर होस्ट कौन है? पिग और कुछ पोल्ट्रीज है. पिग एंड पोल्ट्रीज को डिस्ट्रॉय किया जाए. सेकेंड इज मॉस्किटो ब्रीडिंग प्लेस को डिस्ट्रॉय किया जाए. पैडी फील्ड को डिस्ट्रॉय करना पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो उस फील्ड में एंटी लार्वल केमिकल डाल सकते हैं, एंटी लार्वल ऑयल डाल सकते हैं, एंटी लार्वल फिश डाल सकते हैं जो कि लार्वा को कंज्यूम कर लेगा और मॉस्किटो का ब्रीडिंग रुकेगा. और क्या हो सकता है? और वैक्सीन दे सकते हैं. वैक्सीन का 3 तरह का वैक्सीन है. माउस ब्रेन डेरिवेटिव वैक्सीन, सेल कल्चर इनएक्टिवेटेड वैक्सीन एंड सेल कल्चर लाइव एटेन्यूएटेड वैक्सीन. 3 तरह का वैक्सीन आता है. इसका डोज क्या क्या है? पहले तो 2 डोज देते हैं 4 वीक अपार्ट. 1 महीने के अंतर में 2 डोज देंगे. 1 डोज आज, 1 महीने बाद 1 डोज. उसके बाद बूस्टर डोज देते हैं 1 साल के बाद, और फिर उसके बाद 3 साल के बाद देंगे, फिर 3 साल के बाद देंगे. ये 10 से 15 साल तक करते रहेंगे. तो पहले दिए 2 डोज 1 महीने के अंतर पे, फर्स्ट डोज, सेकेंड डोज, थर्ड डोज दिए 1 साल के बाद. ये 3 डोज मेन है. इसके बाद 3 साल के अंतर पे एक डोज दे दिए जाते हैं. ये है वैक्सीनेशन मेथड. वैक्सीन देते हैं सबक्यूटेनियसली, इसका वैक्सीन देते हैं. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द जापानीज एन्सेफेलाइटिस. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन you can ask in the group. Thank you.